Okay, we're going to start with sheep brain. We got a couple things to note on the sheep brain. We got some olfactory bulbs, big fat bulbs right on the front, right here. They are the bulbs that actually rest right above the cribriform plate, allowing olfaction, smell. We'll cut back a little bit to show. Maybe if I had really sharp scissors it'd work. We should be able to show the olfactory tract, which are the nerves that go back. Follow the bulb back, the tract is right underneath, it follows it back into the brain. There's the tract. We have then a couple other parts, cerebrum. Got a cerebrum. Back here we have a cerebellum. This sheep, the cerebellum's gunched. It's pretty well mashed, it's been mashed, sorry. It's not such a great cerebellum. But we flip the thing down, we flip the cerebellum down, and you can see two things that look kind of like butts or something in there. These are the superior and inferior colliculi. And if we split it open, you can see the pineal gland. Pineal gland, superior, inferior colliculi. And then, of course, while we have it open, corpus callosum, right there. And then we have down here, if we continue a little farther down, we have the thalamus. Right underneath the pineal gland here. Thalamus. Flip it over to the front. We should be able to have the medulla oblongata, and above it should be the pons. I'll just quick snip to cut to the pons. Pons right above it. There's our pons. Alright, so we have pons, medulla oblongata, and lastly the pituitary gland. This sheep has a pituitary gland. You can see it right there. It hangs down from the hypothalamus. And that's the sheep brain. We're going to continue on to the coweye. We got a coweye. We got a cornea, front part of it. Funky little thing on the front of the cornea. Looks like it oozed out and solidified. We have an optic nerve in the back. You see an optic nerve coming out. We have a sclera. That's the white of the eye. Kind of see it, white of the eye. It's covered with fat and connective tissue on this one. We crack this thing open. We see a retina. Check out the color. Beautiful color on the retina. We have the lens. That's this little ball, hard ball in there. You can see the jelly, vitreous humor, and the ball that's the lens. The lens is sitting in the ciliary body. That's this black kind of lines that hold it in place. That allows the lens to accommodate and focus. And lastly, we have the optic disc. All the nerves have kind of sloughed off, and they're connected to the optic disc. And the optic disc is on the inside, and it's where all the optic nerve exits. It's a blind spot, and it's just inside where the optic nerve is. And that's our coweye.